Deputy Inspector General of Police ka Eastern Range Davis N.R. Marak, harangkat USP ka is Khasil District uba Vivek Siem, nangta USP Traffic ukamakya Prasad, hanegasngi kala play ya ka Jim, Hasardar Police Station na kabanta ki Special Operation Team. Kani ka Jim kadai ka balasna kerpang na kabanta ki Pulit SOT pakinyo ban kilan met bahaya ladie. Hadin bala play kani ka Jim ka kong WM Boot ka officer jok sarkar jela kala play bet khap yu ribbon ya ka jaka sam tiar shet jing shet na ka banta ki pulen ki basa ha police reserve Shillong.
तो आपका ये ट्रेनिंग में ये लोग कौन सा फॉलो कर रहे हैं आपका शिशु?
All sir. Some
All.
I think all they follow.
All they follow. And what about the diet? How many of them are following your diet?
It depends on them sir, because they're going at home. I cannot take their kitchen.
And have you seen any improvement?
Yes sir.
Okay. And maximum bench press कौन कर रहा है?
Paraj.
और लेकिन थोड़ा ध्यान रखो इतना अभी आप लोग का मकसद बॉडी बिल्डिंग का से ज़्यादा आप लोग को फिटनेस का फंक्शनल फिटनेस के लिए होना चाहिए क्योंकि बॉडी बिल्डिंग बॉडी स्कल्पटिंग भी अच्छा है लेकिन मोर आप लोग का मेन मकसद आप लोग को वो जो फंक्शनल फिटनेस जो है तो उसमें आप लोग थोड़ा ध्यान दीजिए जो आप लोग बॉडी बिल्डिंग कर रहे हैं वो भी अच्छा बात है उसको भी करो लेकिन बॉडी बिल्डिंग के लिए सिर्फ एक सफिशिएंट नहीं आप लोग को डाइट क्या और बहुत सारा चीज़ आप लोग को मेंटेन करना पड़ेगा तो इसलिए आप लोग हम लोग का तो यहाँ पे तो मेन तो फंक्शनल स्ट्रेंथ का ज़रूरत है ठीक है तो आप लोग उसका थोड़ा ध्यान रखिए
Endurance, sir. That's why we have
endurance.
Saturday, Sunday is closed, sir. So they are going for road running, sir.
Okay, good. Why don't you tie up for Krav Maga also?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes. We have some of our boys who are good martial arts, sir. So they are teaching them taekwondo and all that. But Krav Maga also will introduce, sir.
Yeah, Krav Maga is one thing because see, traditional martial arts is more on certain styles
Yes, sir.
and certain forms rather.
Yes, sir.
But Krav Maga is all about survival.
Yes, sir.
You use any means necessary to either survive or take down your opponent.
Yes, sir.
So I think it is important for your boys to do that because in Krav Maga they teach you not only about self-defense and offense also, but also different aspects of maybe crowd control and all that, and especially even handling of weapons and all that also.
Yes. The handling of weapons and snatching weapons and this combat techniques of locking techniques.
Yes,
sir.
yes.
They have learned quite a bit.
Okay.
But I think we should be getting more expertise from Krav Maga.
Yeah, because what we have planned.